Sweet. Just a bunch of eye candy on the table here, man. Those are cool. Well, here we got some Kaido House or Kato House, however you say it. NSX is such a cool car. I mean, it's pretty amazing the styling too that you get. Pretty great value in these. We're gonna pop one open, take a look at it. Wow. You know, they do such a good job with their detailing.
This has a twin turbo motor in it too, which is crazy.
Wow, look at that. I love the little articulating parts and even the detailing underneath.
Yeah,
It's got that,
incredible.
yeah,
Incredible.
amazing wheels on it. Do you guys see how the tailgate popped down right there? Just like pop it down and really awesome detailing with those.
Hey Mark, how are you?
Fun to see. Yeah, let's see. So he's got these prices out here like 25 bucks. 25 bucks. Cool. I think I'm gonna grab one of these. Been eyeballing these NSX, and that's a really good price. I've seen them online for like 30, 40 bucks. But sweet, he's got a couple on here. And, you know, 25 for the level of detail and stuff that these 164 scale have is pretty sweet. There we go. A couple of, here's a super treasure hunt. The Fiat Golden Nugget. That's a cool one that saw got released this year. That one right there. And then we've got a Glory Tracer. This is a nice one. The Spectra Cross. What a cool paint job on that. Really like that. 25 bucks, huh? Sweet. That's a cool Coco Camaro. Light rims on it. Great detailing. So Hot Wheels red liners, huh? Oh, that's good looking. No license plate or painted taillights on that one. That surprises me for how much detailing we're seeing on the side there with the door handle, a little light there in the corner. But really cool piece of Hot Wheels car culture there. It's cool, 1971 to Tommaso Augusta. Don't know if I said that right, but it's a really nice piece. Love the articulating parts on the back of that one. And then he's got a green one